You don't need to pay for AI tools to study better. In this video, I'll show you the best free AI tools students can use without any payment. All the tools I show today have free versions, no credit card, no hidden charges, and I'll explain exactly what each tool is best for. ChatGPT is one of the best free AI tools for students. Use it to understand topics, solve problems step by step, and improve your writing. Google Gemini is very useful for science and visual explanations. It helps students understand topics with images and diagrams. Microsoft Copilot is great for coding students. It explains errors and helps you understand how code works. Perplexity AI is best for research. It gives short answers with choices, which is helpful for projects and theory subjects. Each AI tool is good for a different purpose. Use the right one based on your subject. Use AI to learn, not to copy. Never submit AI answers directly in exams or assignments. If you want one free AI for all subjects, ChatGPT is the best overall choice for students. Comment your subject below and I'll suggest the best free AI tool for it. Subscribe to Cool AI for Students for honest and student-friendly AI guides.